Good morning, learners. This is the current affairs session for 11 October 2019. Let's begin. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh holds Second India-France Ministerial Level Annual Defense Dialogue. Second India-France Ministerial Level Annual Defense Dialogue in Paris with his French counterpart Florence Party. Okay. So last session also we have got a current affair about the Rafale that is also happening in Paris. So Paris is the French capital, and this is a major European city and a global center for art, fashion, gastronomy, and culture. And its 19th century cityscape is crisscrossed by white boulevards and the river Seine. Do remember the name of the river Seine. And I know that you all guys know Paris because of this Eiffel Tower. So next, Indian sprinter Nirmala Sehroon is banned for 4 years. It's a very bad news for India, of course, for doping, and also she has been stripped of her 2 golds that she won at 2017 Asian Athletics Championship in 400 meter and 4 cross 400 meter relay. So she is Nirmala Sehroon. And what is doping? Doping is the use of banned athletic performance enhancing drugs by athletic competitors. So guys, if you think that this current affairs session is helping you to prepare for your competitive examination, then do subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Coming to the next, one static GK. Every day I will try to include some important static GK in this current affairs session. So that is an extra thing. So today's static GK is that the jurisdiction of covering the Andaman and Nicobar Island falls under the supervision of which High Court? Okay. So you have to tell the jurisdiction covering the Andaman and Nicobar Islands falls under which High Court. So that is a circuit bench of the Calcutta High Court. Remember this Calcutta High Court at Port Blair. So Andaman and Nicobar comes under Calcutta High Court's jurisdiction. That is a circuit bench at Port Blair. Next, PM releases a commemorative stamp to honor Marshal of the Air Force late Rajnath Singh. A commemorative stamp is for late Rajnath Singh. Next, Union Health Minister Dr. Harsh Bandhan. Okay, so try to remember our different ministers' name. Union Health Minister currently Dr. Harsh Bandhan. And he launched the WHO India Country Cooperation Strategy 2019 to 2023, a time of transition, in New Delhi on 9 October 2019. And the CCS, that is Country Cooperation Strategy, aims to provide WHO with a strategic roadmap to plan its work with India to achieve its health sector goals. Clear? So WHO, this is very important. WHO stands for the World Health Organization, and this is a specialized agency of the United Nations and is concerned with international public health. Its headquarters is at Geneva, Switzerland. WHO's headquarters is at Geneva, Switzerland, and you will see the logo here about the World Health Organization. And currently head is Tedros Adhanom. Tedros Adhanom is the head of WHO, and WHO was founded on 7 April 1948. Next, World Mental Health Day is observed across the world on October 10, 2019. And why this World Mental Health Day is celebrated on 10 October? Because to raise awareness regarding mental health issues and mobilize efforts to support mental health. Sometimes the aim about some particular days also asked, so do remember it. Next, Gemini, ZEMINI. What is that? For seamless and effective dissemination of emergency information and communication on disaster warnings, potential fishing zones (PFZ), and ocean state forecast (OSF) to fishermen, the government today launched Gemini, and Gemini stands for Gagan Enabled Mariners Instrument for Navigation and Information. Gagan Enabled Mariners Instruments for Navigation and Information. Gemini. Try to revise 2-3 times about this full form of some important terms. Okay, then that will help you to remember these terms better. And this Gemini is for fishermen and for to inform them about disaster warnings. Okay, that is very good step taken by the government. Next, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, that is MSD. MSD stands for Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, launches Mahatma Gandhi National Fellowship Program, MGNFP, Mahatma Gandhi National Fellowship Program, with IIM Bangalore to boost skill development at the district level. That is also important. Then, this one is very important. India's first e-waste clinic, is being set up in Bhopal, the capital of Madhya Pradesh. And what is e-waste clinic? E-waste clinic is used for segregating, processing, and disposal of waste from household and commercial unit. And this is the first e-waste clinic that is being set up in Bhopal. Next, the 2019 World Parliament of Science, Religion and Philosophy was held in Pune. The 2019 World Parliament of Science, Religion and Philosophy was held in where? Pune. Then this one is very important. 10. The author of the book 150 Years of Celebrating the Mahatma, the South African Legacy is Fakir Hussain. Fakir Hussain is, I know you already know, he is a famous author, and Fakir Hussain currently launched his book 150 Years of Celebrating the Mahatma, the South African Legacy. Then Nobel Prize for Literature 2018 is awarded to Polish author Olga Tokarczuk, and Nobel Prize for Literature 2019 goes to Austrian author Peter Handke. So Nobel Prize for Literature 2018 goes to Polish author Olga Tokarczuk, and for 2019 it goes to Austrian author Peter Handke. So for 11 October 2019. So I hope you have enjoyed this session. Now coming to the today's question from last class. Today's question is, how many new moons of Saturn are discovered? Option A 10, option B 15, option C 20, option D 25. So comment your answer. I'll give the answer in the description and at the topmost comment. So guys, meet you tomorrow in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.